Hello. Tom has to get me cleaning out the basement. I'm just going through, because I do bookkeeping work for my sister, I have files, and they're coming up to visit us this weekend, so I'm going to offload some of those files and that weight out of our basement. I'll probably clean out a few other things while I'm down here too.
Yay!
This is always a fun chore, right? Yeah.
So I was fooling around in the other side of the basement this morning, and I ran across our bug zapper, and I'm like, hey, we've got electricity here. We're plugged in because we're camp hosting. Let's plug in the bug zapper and zap some bugs. Okay, I went back in the house, and I hear this noise. Do you hear it? I thought you were cleaning the basement.
I was. I came across the ball.
So now you're just bouncing. For 5 minutes I've heard this bouncing sound.
Just dribbling.
Yeah, you're dribbling all right. Yeah, you're great. You're no LeBron, but you're okay.
It's not a basketball.
Put that down and get back to work.
Yes, sir.
It worked. A little on the breezy side today, but at least the smoke has dissipated. We got blue skies. Smoke's supposed to come back to this area, though. Isn't this beautiful? Look at this. This is our site while we're camp hosting. And this is the ranger's office behind me over here. And then the campground sits way over there. So we are totally away from all the campers. So we've got kind of a secluded spot over here. Beautiful. Look at this.
So today, I'm just sitting on the floor going through this suitcase full of old photographs that we got from Tom's dad's house when Dad passed away. And I'm looking through these pictures and I just busted up laughing. There is a picture in here that's hysterical. I can't wait for you guys to see it. I'm getting ready to scan a bunch of pictures in because we leave these at my mom's house. I don't recommend getting rid of your original pictures. Scanning them into digital so that you can have them with you is great, but try and leave your originals somewhere safe because digital is not reliable and you could lose everything if you get rid of the originals. So I'm getting ready to do that, and as I was just sitting here kind of going through things, a certain picture of Tommy when he was little had me busting up. We'll show it to you one of these days. How many people want to see it? Raise your hands. Oh, Tommy!
I'm warning you.
Oh, I'm gonna show it. I'm gonna show it.
Okay, it's time to get your nails trimmed. That's a pretty baby. That's a pretty baby. You want to start at the bottom? Okay. We'll start down here.
It's her Jabba impression.
We'll trim, and then Mommy has to put the sweeper on to sweep them up.
No, it's a vacuum.
Same difference.
No, a sweeper is a broom.
Yeah, well, you're going to get off your broom and do this. That's a good baby. Oh, that's a good girl. You, just sit there, okay? You just sit still. Sit still. One more. Look at that. Bottoms are all done. Now let me have the left paw. Sit still. There you go. That's a good kitty, Kaylee. Kaylee Whaley. Look at that. Almost done. That's okay. It doesn't hurt. I'm not going deep. It's okay. Okay. You got the baby. Let me get these last two. I already did the other paw. One more. Just a minute. Hold on. I know you don't like the pinkies. Look at that. All done. All done. You're so pretty. Want a cookie? Here. Come here. You were a good girl. Come here. 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 Come and get a cookie. She's like, no, you bring it to me, jerk. Here you go. Want a cookie? Oh my God, I have to take it to you. Wouldn't want you to get off that high horse. You need to get off your broom too.
You're outnumbered, you know.
You have matching brooms.
Good job.
Okay, come and do mine.
Did you clip your claws yet? No, I'm not doing it. I'm sure that day will come, but that day is not today. So is that all we have for Throw Out Thursday? That's it, huh? Okay. Yeah, life is just so exciting lately, huh? Kind of about it. Digging through stuff. We went over to my mom's yesterday. Dug through stuff in storage there. Tom worked on the computer. Wow, big, exciting. Woohoo! We didn't say it was Tom and Lori's exciting RV life. Just Tom and Lori's RV life. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. What?
Anyway.
Anyway. Ding, ding, ding. Ring the bell. That is if you have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Please give us a thumbs up. Please share us with your friends. Let them join in your misery of watching us. As I said before, click the bell, please, and that will let you know when we put up another exciting video. Woo! Have a great day. See ya.